In the previous Nmap scans, we have already found our Windows machine. Let's double check if everything is ready for the exploitation. By the way, don't forget to boot your Windows machine because it sometimes automatically closes down. So I open my VMware Workstation Player, Windows 7, and then play the virtual machine. So it is now restoring the state. Once you open up the Windows, make sure this vulnerable service is running. Right click and then start service. It says access denied. So here we have this manage engine. It says start service. Right click on this and then click run as administrator and click yes. And now on Kali, fire up the MSF console if you have not done already by typing MSF console. Okay, and type hosts to see the hosts. We have one Linux and one unknown. This is the Windows machine. Now type services to see which ports are open and which services are running on them. So this 132 is Windows, and you see the ports and the services. Our target is running an application called Manage Engine on ports 6262 and 6767. To double check that, you can simply open up your Windows, and in command prompt you can type netstat-ano. Okay, you see a bunch of TCP and UDP local address and ports connections. So this 6262 and 6767 is cool. Okay, we send it back. Since we don't see this 6262 and 6767 here, we need to scan that Windows machine again to check those ports. Simply type db nmap 192 168 174 132 dash capital A and T5. This command enables host detection, version detection, and traceroute. This one, and T5 is the fastest scan type, as we have previously discussed. You can always double check to learn the details about this and similar commands with opening a new terminal and then nmap help commas dash capital A and then escape character. As you see, it's host detection, version detection, group scanning, and traceroute. Okay, scanning completed. Type services again to see what has changed. I still cannot see 6262 and the other port. So how about giving those ports here 7 to make it faster. It says open. How about services now? Now I have it. Perfect. That means the previous scan, this one, has not included these port numbers by default. In order to check the service details, I can also add this as vSwitch to get the details. Now we found that there is a web application operating on those ports, as it says Apache Tomcat. At this stage, assuming we don't know what kind of application is running on the victim, we can do further reconnaissance about what might the application be and does the service have some kind of vulnerability, etc. But this is an introductory course, so we skip that part. In real life situations, when you see an open port and some details about that port, you can do further reconnaissance to get some detail by Googling it. So finding out the open ports and service details is fine for now. Okay. Let's continue in the next lecture.